Here is the cinematic view of our house design. Hello, and welcome to the CIVILSETS YouTube channel. Today we are going to review 1,200 square feet plot area. The plot size is 20 by 60 feet. The abode is beautifully designed as per the client need. The house design consists of the ground floor and first floor for living. The terrace is decorated with plants and the wooden design hut too. There is a commodious space for the parking of cars and bike. Parking area is 8 feet and 3 inches by 18 feet and 4 inches. At the entrance, we have space for the face and hand wash due to this COVID situation. The guest area is of 10 feet by 12 feet and 2 inches. Connected to the outside wooden deck with garden. Dining is the place where all the family get together to eat. With the area of 6 by 10 feet. For the study area, there is an arrangement too. The common bathroom area is of 5 by 4 feet. The modular kitchen is of 7 feet and 3 inches by 10 feet. Connected with the utility area for washing purpose. With area 7 feet and 3 inches by 4 feet and 3 inches. Another bathroom is of 5 by 4 feet. You can use this as storeroom too. The bedroom area is of 11 feet by 12 feet and 3 inches. And commodious 5 feet and 6 inches by 7 feet 3 inches bathroom connected to. The first floor comprise of 2-bedroom, guest room, and kids room with ODS area for ventilation too. The guest room area is of 11 feet by 7 feet and 3 inches. And the kids' room is of area 10 feet by 7 feet and 3 inches. This space you can use as pujagar or storeroom. And the bathroom for the kids' room and guest room is of 7 by 4 feet. Bedroom is of 11 feet by 12 feet and 3 inches. Connected bathroom of area 7 feet and 3 inches by 5 feet and 6 inches. And the second bedroom is of 12 by 11 feet with balcony too. The bathroom area is of 6 feet and 3 inches by 6 feet and 5 inches. For the morning tea with newspaper, there is balcony for this too. Terrace space is covered with the beautiful plant. And there is seat-out arrangement too. You can use this space as a garden or as the normal terrace. That's all for today. Subscribe to CIVILSETS YouTube channel for latest house designs. Make sure to like, share and comment below.